Welcome to AutoViralz, the home of power, elegance, and innovation on wheels. Oncoming bus sparkles. Today, we dive into the world of the Volvo Luxury Motorhome Bus, a masterpiece that blends engineering precision with luxury living. Volvo, a name that stands for safety, strength, and timeless design, now takes comfort and travel to an entirely new level. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just take you places, but becomes your home, your office, and your sanctuary on the road. This is not an ordinary bus. This is the Volvo Motorhome, where every journey turns into an unforgettable experience. From the moment the engine starts, you can feel the smooth power of Volvo's world-class performance. The road becomes silent beneath its heavy-duty suspension, designed to deliver a ride so stable and comfortable, it feels like gliding on air. Step inside, and everything changes. You are welcomed by soft ambient lighting, luxurious leather recliners, and a panoramic view that captures the beauty of the world outside. The interiors are built with perfection, handcrafted wooden textures, high-tech control systems, and intelligent space management that makes every corner useful and elegant. The Volvo Motorhome Bus is a moving piece of art. It combines Scandinavian simplicity with modern technology, from the digital dashboard that keeps you connected, to the automatic climate control that adapts to your comfort. Every inch of this bus reflects Volvo's commitment to excellence and safety. Imagine sitting in your lounge area, sipping coffee while your bus glides through mountains, cities, or endless highways. A smart kitchen with top-tier appliances, a cozy bedroom with luxury bedding, and a full bathroom designed with hotel-style precision. This is luxury redefined. AutoViralz takes you behind the scenes of these incredible Volvo builds, showing you how each motorhome is customized for those who dare to live differently. Some are built for adventure, with solar roofs, off-grid batteries, and rugged tires made for any terrain. Others are built for royalty, with entertainment zones, private offices, and digital automation at your fingertips. Every Volvo motorhome tells a story of passion, craftsmanship, and innovation. The engines are tuned not just for performance, but for silence and sustainability. The bodywork is engineered with aerodynamics that enhance both fuel efficiency and style. This is where travel meets luxury, where a bus becomes a lifestyle. Whether you're crossing the deserts of Arizona, exploring the mountains of Europe, or cruising the highways of the USA, the Volvo Motorhome turns every road into a red carpet. At AutoViralz, we bring you closer to these machines of dreams, capturing their design, their story, and their soul. We show how Volvo has transformed the idea of comfort on wheels, taking motorhomes into the future of intelligent travel. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the world of Volvo, where innovation drives emotion, and every mile feels like home. If you love power, beauty, and the spirit of adventure, this is your place. Welcome to AutoViralz, your home for viral rides, luxury vehicles, and next-level travel experiences. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, because at AutoViralz, every ride goes viral. Car fire.